Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Feng Shui principles to follow in your home to feel less stressed and more grounded. You've probably heard the term Feng Shui before, but what does it really mean? Feng Shui, pronounced Feng Shui, is an ancient Chinese discipline focused on how the placement of objects affects the energy or qi of a space. In this video, we'll explore how you can use these principles to reduce stress and feel more grounded in your daily life. So, what is the science behind Feng Shui? Feng Shui is built around the concept of qi, the life force that flows around us, influencing everything from our health to our environment. By improving the quality and flow of qi in our homes, we can thrive and prosper. How can Feng Shui improve your overall well-being? According to Feng Shui expert Laura Morris, following these principles can help you feel more grounded, reduce anxiety, and even promote better sleep. It can also help you feel more connected with your surroundings and empower you to manifest positive changes in your life. Now, let's discuss what is considered bad Feng Shui. Instead of labeling certain designs as bad Feng Shui, it's better to see them as opportunities for improvement. For example, if your staircase aligns directly with your front door, it might represent a loss of resources. Rather than panicking, you can adjust the flow of qi with simple fixes, such as placing rugs or using crystals to balance the energy. Let's dive into the principles you can start using at home today. Never place beds in direct alignment with doors. Position your bed so that you can see the door without being directly in line with it. This creates a feeling of ease and security. No bright colors for kids' rooms. Bright colors can be overly stimulating for children. Opt for softer shades to promote restful sleep. Ban electronics in the bedroom. Electronics stimulate the mind and can disrupt your sleep. Create a restful, tech-free zone in your bedroom. Treat your stove like your most prized possession. Your stove symbolizes wealth and abundance. Keep it clean and use it often, even just to boil water. Keep the kitchen table spotless. This space represents family love. Make sure it's clean and welcoming for gatherings. Keep the basement tidy and bright. The basement represents the foundation of your home. Keep it clean and well lit to support good energy. Declutter your entryway. A cluttered entry blocks opportunities. Keep it clear so energy can flow freely into your home. Fix leaky faucets ASAP. A leaky faucet represents resources slipping away. Address any leaks to prevent unnecessary loss. Close bathroom doors when not in use. Bathrooms can drain energy. Keep the doors closed to contain positive energy within your home. Replace dead light bulbs. Burnt-out light bulbs represent burnout. Make sure all your lights are working for full energy and visibility. Repaint often. Fresh paint refreshes the energy of your home. If repainting isn't an option, try washing the walls or using a natural room spray. Never hang mirrors across from the front door. This bounces good energy right back outside. Be mindful of what the mirror reflects, whether it's busy streets or peaceful nature. Fill forlorn spots with plants. Add greenery to areas that feel stagnant. Plants can uplift the energy of your home. Never put a bedroom over a garage. Garages carry heavy energy. If you can't avoid this, introduce grounding elements like colorful rugs to balance the space. Toss or fix any broken furniture. Broken items symbolize lack. Repair or remove them to improve the energy of your space. By following these Feng Shui principles, you can create a home that not only feels good, but also supports your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on creating a balanced and harmonious living space. Thanks for watching.